Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read a dialogue on the intake of junk food. Let's get started. Amir, Usama, I noticed you have been eating a lot of junk food lately. Are you sure that's a good idea? Usama, I know it's not the healthiest choice, but I can't resist the taste. Amir, I understand the temptation, but you should be mindful of the long term effects. Junk food is often high in unhealthy fats and sugar. This can lead to weight gain and various health issues. Usama, you are right. I have been feeling a bit sluggish, and I am sure my diet plays a part in that. Amir, absolutely. Your body needs proper nutrition to function at its best. Instead of relying on junk food, you could try fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Usama, that's a good suggestion. I know I should make healthier choices, but sometimes it's just hard to resist the temptation. Amir, I understand it can be challenging, but perhaps you can start by gradually reducing your intake of junk food. Maybe you can try cooking more meals at home using fresh ingredients or keeping healthy snacks on hand when cravings strike. Usama, yes, I will give it a try and see how it goes. Thanks for the advice and support. Amir, you are welcome. Remember, taking care of your health is important, and making healthier choices about what you eat will benefit you in long run. Good luck. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.